American Standard Circuits presents PCB Technology, a 77-second webinar series. What is UHDI? As soon as we cross below the 1 mil line width threshold, we need to stop talking in terms of mils and ounces and begin talking in terms of microns. For reference, a 3 mil trace measures 75 microns, while a 1 mil trace measures 25 microns, illustrating just how small these features become at this scale. In general terms, Ultra HDI Interconnect, UHDI, refers to line widths and spaces on a printed circuit board that fall below 25 microns, entering a realm of precision that traditional PCB manufacturing was never designed to achieve. As electronics continue to shrink in size, so too must the printed circuit boards that power them, not only along the x-axis, the length and the width, but also along the y-axis, the overall thickness and layer stack-up. This dual-direction miniaturization presents designers with a significant challenge. They must simultaneously reduce the form factor while also minimizing board thickness, all while maintaining electrical performance, reliability, and manufacturability to meet the increasingly demanding requirements of next-generation electronic devices and applications.